Hello students, it's Teacher Maureen and welcome to my English class. Today we will learn about kitchen items focusing on quantifiers, some and any. When we say some and any, okay, they are quantifiers. We use them, okay? We use them when the amount of a thing is not exact. Okay, we use this for countable or uncountable nouns. But, okay, I will explain you the difference of some and any. When we say some, we use some in a positive sentence. Okay, we offer, we request, and also ask question. Okay, but in positive sentence. Okay, when we say positive sentence, okay, it is affirmative sentence. We confirm it if, for example, our topic is all about kitchen items, right? Okay, we will confirm if that item is available or not available. Okay, that's why it's called affirmative sentence. Okay, but it's also used in positive sentence. On the other hand, okay, any, when we say any, we use this for negative sentence. Okay, it has no exact amount, or we don't know if that item is available or not available. Okay, or sometimes it is not. Mostly we use any when the item is not available. Okay, later we will learn the quantifiers some and any, okay, and their uses later on our structure. Okay, now let's proceed to our vocabulary words. Okay, on our topic, kitchen items. Okay, number one is plate. 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 Spoon. 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 Fork. 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 Knife. 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 Mug. 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 Ladle. 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 Saucer. 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 Bowl. 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 Sugar. 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 Coffee. 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 Milk. 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 Salt. 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 Water. 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 Syrup. 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 Tea. Tea. Rice. 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 Butter. 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 Ketchup. 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 Bread. 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 Cheese. 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 Okay, so now let's proceed to the structure. Okay, it tells yes or no question. So these are the question. Have you got any coffee? Okay, the question is, have you got any coffee? Okay, any is used for negative sentences. Okay, we don't know if that person has a coffee or doesn't have a coffee. Okay, so the answer will be if there is a coffee. Okay, if it's positive sentence, if there is a coffee, you will say the person will answer, yes, I got some. Yes, I got some. Okay? On the other hand, if there is no coffee, the person will answer, no, I haven't get any. Okay? So we use the any in the negative sentence, right? As you can see, on the first sentence, because the person has a coffee, we use the quantifier word some. Okay? Some is positive, any is negative. Okay, again the question. I will repeat again. Have you got any coffee? Have you got any coffee? Okay. If the answer is yes or positive sentence, the person will say, yes, I got some. Yes, I got some. On the other hand, if there is no coffee or it's negative sentence, the person will answer, no, I haven't get any. Okay. Still, it tells yes or no question. Still, okay. So the question will be, can I have some mug? Okay. Can I have some mug? Can I have some mug? Okay, as you can see, it's a mug. Okay, the first person is asking the second person if that person has a mug. So if that person has a mug, the person will say, yes, you can. Okay, it means the person wants to borrow a mug. Okay, so if there is a mug, if the person says yes, okay, or if the person allows the first person to borrow the mug, okay, the second person will say, yes, you can. But on the other hand, okay, otherwise, if the second person don't want the first person to borrow the mug, okay, no, the second person will say, no, you can't. I'm sorry. No, you can't. I'm sorry. Okay, next structure is still in the yes or no question. Okay. The question will be, would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? We use some in positive sentence, okay? It offers the person. Okay, a while ago, I told you about some, right? Some is when the person offers, requests, or asks question. Okay, the question. Okay, let's go back to the question. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Okay, if you like a coffee, you will say, yes, please, I'd like some. Okay, it's positive, right? Yes, please, I'd like some. Because you like to drink a coffee, okay? You will say, yes, please, I'd like some. Okay? Otherwise, if you don't like coffee, you will just say, no, thank you. No, thank you. So students, that would be all for today. Our lesson is all about kitchen items, focusing on quantifiers, some, and any. Later, I will send you the worksheet that you will do in your house. Hope you enjoy our class. Sawadee ka.